Greetings. I'm unboxing my magnetic stirrers that came today from Amazon for my hot plate magnetic stirrer that I bought for Alchemy. So I got a really good deal on this Thermo Scientific Simmerec hot plate that I bought from eBay. It was in really good condition, and it's a very high quality unit, and these things when they sold new, they were very expensive, so finding this one on eBay in such good condition was a good find. So since it was very slightly used but pretty much in like new condition, very hardly used, it didn't come with a magnetic stirrer, you know. So I ordered some on Amazon, and these were cheap. And I ordered this particular model, because it came with extra stir bars, but it also came with a magnetic pickup tool, which is going to be handy. So let's count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 10 magnetic stirrers. I really only need one for now, but there's some extra ones there, and I got a pickup tool. So when I made a video of this hot plate, I tested the heat. I turned the magnetic stirrer on and heard that it made noise under there, but I didn't have one of these to test it, so now we'll test that. Place that there. I'm going to turn this on. It's already stirring. It's already spinning. I turned it on to the number 2. Let's turn it up a bit. It works good. Alright. I wonder what happens if I put 2 stir bars on there. Okay. I threw one off. Now I've got a glass here, so we'll see how it works with this. So 2 bars will cause considerably more agitation than 1. If they're in a glass, it'll contain it, right? Well, there we are, spinning on slow. There it is on high. That's still on 12. Let's see what happens if I put 2 stir bars inside the glass. Wow. Considerable more agitation. Did you see that? Watch this. That's a lot more agitation. Okay, so I've got the pickup tool, and where this comes in handy is when using these in a glass like this, because then I can just reach in with this tool and take them out. So I saw several different options for buying these on Amazon, and I chose this one because this is basically the size and shape and style of stir bar that I use. The price was good. It came with extra ones, and then the magnetic pickup tool. A lot of the packages of magnetic stir bars didn't have the pickup tool, so that in itself is pretty handy. And that's it. Thank you for watching. This is the Steven School Alchemy YouTube channel. Have a nice day.